Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, boss on this coming in the video, like, comment and subscribe. Walk one peeps, and we there with another.
Oh! Batty boy!
Yeah man, they up on a Sunday right now. Sunday vibes in the backyard.
You stupid.
You know what I mean? Backyard and thing today. Me and Miss PSYNOS, we have a nice video for you today.
I'm gonna transform him, guys.
More look like Angelina and Jolene's or Sylvester Stallone's.
Makeup challenge.
Yeah.
On him.
Yeah, on me. Cause remember last time I did do the challenge. Are you? You. Yeah, me do it for Miss PSYNOS and Sherry PSYNOS and say, no man, double thing, but right now she got transform me. Let me see if she can make me look like Denzans and Washingtons. Yeah, so Miss PSYNOS, tell them what you go do you know.
I'm not a makeup artist or a makeup professional, so I'm just I don't have everything I need to have, but I just use what I have. This is foundation and concealer.
Yes sir.
Some glitter.
Yep.
I want to have some powder. Eyeshadow. Oh shit. And some wipes, mega wipe off. And guys, I don't have brush, so I'm gonna use the sponge.
Yes.
And I have to buy that next week.
Spongy. But before we get in it, guys, please like up the thing, please subscribe and thing. Yeah man, we're there. We're there, kick off the video right now, right? Kick off the channel back because boy, been paused up for a long while still. I know only you want the whole entertainment videos them and thing, but a whole heap of thing go down. As you clearly can see on the main page, me never get to go.
Nose skirt.
My skin share off, you know, and I tell lies. As you clearly see, me never get through with my sponsor this year for go on the main carnival. So that's why I never get nothing or the year before. Neither. Corona mash up everything. You know what I mean?
I know me.
You know what I mean?
Me don't mash up in my life.
Yeah, what you say? You see that? For support violence. No, do not stop violence against men.
Guys, remember I'm not a professional at this, so
She says she's a professional. She went
I've
to
never done makeup on
school
anybody.
She went to a makeup school for a year and 2 years studying makeupology.
I've never done makeup on anybody.
Yeah.
And stop stiff up your neck.
Steve.
If I big.
Trust me, don't let me tell you about yours.
That's not funny.
I'm not gay.
Really?
A joke.
Yeah.
And I knew too. Alright, so we're there man peeps, we're there. What the plan is, we're gonna kick off the main channel.
Yeah, but
I kick off the main channel
really
and things.
this there?
Yeah, do anything you want to do. Remember me to do food and makeup challenge. And yo, you are sure PSYNOS, but you know something never did do it bad. You know something.
Yo, you really have me do this there? You don't let nobody do this to you, bro.
Cause you know something never.
He's only doing this for you guys.
Yeah.
Nobody
Cause
else.
me never did do too bad in other challenge, you know. Me can take care of it.
No, don't
man,
judge
so.
me, I never shave me off. Oh! Shut up.
A joke. Yeah man, so yeah man peeps. Yeah man, we'll kick off the channel and we'll have more. We have a surprise for you. Miss PSYNOS' birthday coming up next week, Thursday.
Yeah.
Birthday girl.
June 8th.
June 8th. You know what I mean? The liar people them not do some ear.
The man, all I will lie.
Them bad panic. Me say, yo, let me tell you, if you want to send somebody to trust me, if you not have a license and the police pull you over, make a June person come talk to the officer. You get in through.
Bo?
So I see this. I never got 2 ton on, because I don't want to 2 seat, you know. Well, only can see it, but I don't want to see it.
You don't want to see it?
No, me no want them.
So you don't want to see it?
No, me want to see it up. What you make me look like? What you make me look like? So, yeah man, so in regards to my PSYNOS birthday, I go vlog it. And them thing there. I go vlog it and make you see. Now I take a trip down Ocherius, you know what I mean?
Link up with my family.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, I just hit you in the eye.
Stop laughing at you. Yo, how you talking to me? Yo, I'm not letting me up this no more. You come shoot in
You
on
can't
me.
squinch up your eye like this. You have to just
Say I should be on me eye
fill out your eye now. Just don't talk for a second.
Alright, yeah man,
understand.
you said don't for a second.
You said don't talk for a second.
But babe, that was just a call. You feel like me a suffocate.
Oh! Babe, you cannot move up and down.
Yeah man, so friend, you have to put on things super perfect.
You don't put on super perfect, but me have to pat it down.
What ya? So where I go out? Yeah, where I go out. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I go vlog it. I'll start doing some more vlog and more start go some more.
Now the sun in my eye make it. Oh!
I'll not my mouth. I'll not my mouth to put in makeup a while ago. You know if you put on makeup.
What is that?
Oh! Guys, I hardly wear makeup because I have confidence in myself and my self-esteem is like up here, so I don't need makeup.
Doing people let me know.
All when I look ugly, I'm pretty to me. That's all that matters.
Jesus. Sorry.
No, look nobody.
Anyway, yeah, yeah man P, so what's the latest? Oh well I'm giving I know me they just put this now like
I did? Oh no, what are you going to see?
what you do with makeup?
I can't see because of the light.
Yeah man, it's money. You sitting on me, what you do to me? Me PSYNOS, what you do to me? Anyway,
God, hold on for the sun, Nico.
alright, so what go on now? Peace
Oh,
is
shit.
this. Oh, them send bomb check down a Senton. Them gonna explosion the place. But them find it. Right by the Ruby's gas station. Yeah, boy, your place festive. And the other day Senton was festive, so. In front T-Rex down there.
You lay a choke.
Them find Osama sick hook down there. Yeah, alright.
Hey, baby PSYNOS have some cough there, you know, them choreograph.
Hey, me say, one time I'm not sleeping in the morning. I can't alarm. Yeah man, so that's pretty much it. All up my face feel heavy. And then Jada Kingdom.
Come on, you're too disgusting.
Yeah, what you do to me? Yo, stop
Just
doing
relax now. I have
boy,
to.
stop doing
But
that.
that's how. Because
So much color you put on my
you're
face.
pulling away, and then this is concealer. I don't have your shade, sir.
Oh, say, so, me look like Michael Jackson.
Me not have your shade.
Oh man in the mirror. Let me see if that's it still a record. Hold on there. You go look, I don't want to look at myself.
But you're not going to see yourself.
Look if you see it a flash red. Cause when you ever tap me mash up the camera. It's still a record? Yo, you people them a laugh off it. It's still a record?
Yes. Murder. Me can't buy
I'm not
that.
a makeup artist this no. I can take my video.
Guys, I'm sorry. I'm not a makeup artist.
That means I don't want to see when she put on for her makeup. Father God.
No, I know how to put it on me. But me just never do
My
this.
friend, take time on my face and I feel like it.
Because you're moving away.
That's a lame excuse you do that, man. I do to me. I'm sweating. I said them go on.
Come.
In fact, I do come here, you know?
No, matter in your eye.
No matter no in my eye, you put it
No,
in there.
matter in your eye.
Matter no in my eye.
Babe, there's a matter in your eye.
I want the eye. I want that.
Come.
My husband said there's matter in my eye.
And guys, it is now time for the reveal of Saitisha. Oh!
Batty boy! Me and Sequina.
Oh!
Yeah. Left the camera.
Can I zoom?
No, left me already. Left them. Look at me. Mama know how me look. How me look.
Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments, let him know
please
how
rate
him
her.
look and rate me how I did.
Me nervous.
Come up closer now.
How me look? Tell
Turn
me how me look.
sideways.
What should do to me?
How him look, people.
How me look?
Come up closer so they see the details.
Why not which detail?
The eye. No, come around.
Why not go
so they see the
Go ahead,
eyeshadow and the.
Which eyeshadow? I like
Close
a
your
fool.
eyes.
Look how fool you take me for. Man, go here, man. Anyway, people, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think. When Sinus take me for fool. Let me look how me look again because. No, sir. Boy, you gotta look good. We can't work a back.
Oh!
What the hell? What you do to me? What is that from my face? No.
Yeah.
No, come take it out.
You look so nice, like a nice, decent young
Decent
lady.
looking girl, me look like one goat we are dead for hungry. What the living hell is this? Me look like me confused.
Wow.
Anyway, peeps, rate the video. Now me make me know
Me not answer.
this is only for entertainment purposes. Miss Sinus, look if it's still a record. So thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. Look out for more video. And as we say, I'll roll out soon and soon and soon. Thank you, Miss Sinus. And thing. Come on, take this off of my face now. So anyway, let's go on journey with
I'm gonna take some pictures of him, guys, so you can see the full detail at the end of the video.
Yeah, but anyway, let's go on journey with the boy. Thanks for watching.